This is the back side of the Augsburg TX area. Credit union. What used to be Toyland. Barber shop. Looks like the only thing that's left open here is the Service Mart. This is the Centerville housing area across the street from the TX in Augsburg. Appears as if there's no one lives here anymore. This is one of the areas that was designated for return to the Germans, so looks like they've got everybody moved out of here now. This is the TX commissary complex. Down here where the U's of the cars are, there used to be parking for the commissary. I moved this over here from across the street. This is the bookstore. This used to be the entrance to the Stop and Shop. We closed that down and they were going to remodel supposedly credit union in there. The doghouse used to be there, tables there, they're all gone. It used to be the pizza place, but that's all the snack bar area on the first floor and the entrance to the TX area. This is about 11 o'clock on a Saturday morning. You can see there's not very much movement around here like there used to be when we were here before. It really looks a lot different now from when we first got here. Kind of sad. Another shot of Centerville housing there from across the street. This is the Augsburg commissary. 11:15 in the morning on Saturday. Just not much activity here either. Chapel. Used to be the regional contracting office at Augsburg, where I first went to work. From that side door there, back 3 windows where my office used to be. In the middle window there is where the computer room used to be. They had big air conditioners in there. Those are all gone. Not really sure what the status is. Looks like some offices have still got some people in them. This is a German canteen right across the street from the RCO. Probably one of the better canteens I've ever eaten at. A lot of broaching, a lot of cups of coffee you can drink in here. As you can see, there's the RCO. It's just a few steps away. EH compound, it's all empty. That building there used to be the Rod and Gun Club. I don't know what's in there now. It's all empty, whatever it is. Where you used to work, not really sure. Doesn't look like it's open. Still has the signs up. but you can't really tell if it's open or not. Augsburg American High School. You guys served tour duty there, didn't you? The old gymnasium. This is Saturday morning. We'll go back over here in just a little bit. That's what's left of Burger King. It's closed down. This was part of the annex across the street from the high school. Looks like there's something missing there, I'm not sure. This is what's left of Burger King in Augsburg. Not much business here at noon on Saturday. Quartermaster Concern behind us. That's what used to be the veterinarian shop. It looks like that building's gone. The rest of it's still there. The dog runs are there. Street from the Burger King. This used to be the Canadian duty-free car sales, and there was a car wash in there. And then this is next, still part of the Army housing here. Looks like it's still open.
Come on, Papa. Go head down. Come on. That's the leader. Come on.
This is the new main office for the Augsburg Guest House. This consists of all of the Augsburg Guest House. Of course, this building here is familiar to all of us. Stayed there many a night.